Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I uploaded a video explaining to you guys how I was able to cut a sell entry on Volatility 10 index, and I see that if it gets to the trend line below here, I'll be buying to the upside. Okay, so in this video, okay, today I'll be showing you guys how I went about that entry. Okay, I got the buy entry, and I'll be explaining to you guys in this video my reason for taking the buy. Okay, how I was able to take the entry and all that stuff. Okay, and some guidance also on how to approach the market whenever your setup is being met. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I will just quickly get into that. Okay, so make sure you stick to the video and watch to the end. Okay, make sure you don't skip any part of this video because there are a lot of information you don't want to miss. All right, so with that being said, let me quickly get to the video. All right, as you can see, the trade is currently in profit. Okay, I took the buy entry around this side, just like you can see in the video. Okay, so before I explain how I was able to go about this, okay, I want to quickly share with you guys an information. Okay, I have a boom and crash strategy, a powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you are interested in getting this boom and crash strategy for yourself, okay, do check the description of this video. Check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact. Okay, there. Do make sure you message me directly on WhatsApp so that we can discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, and also if you have not yet joined my Telegram channel, you also see the link to my channel in the description of this video. In that channel, I share free signal that will help you grow your small account, and also there is a free beginners class coming up on the 5th of September, which is next month. So if you're interested, do make sure you join the Telegram channel so that I will teach you how you can do all these things I'm doing here in this video for free. Okay, so make sure you don't miss this lifetime opportunity. Okay, and that is going to be all for this. Okay, so now let me explain how I made this setup and how I went taking this entry. All right, so let's watch and see. All right, so the first thing I did before taking the entry was that I went to the higher time frame where I normally do my analysis. So here on the higher time frame, what I do was that I first of all identify the trend of the market. All right, so after identifying the trend of the market, okay, after identifying the trend of the market on the daily time frame, all right, I move down to the 4 hours time frame. All right, so here on the 4 hours time frame, I also marked out this trend line here. All right, so on marking out this trend line, I saw that price has already broken below this trend line, and you can see now that it's heading towards our daily trend line here. All right, so this is the daily time frame, right? This second trend line here is the daily time frame, and around that area I found a very strong support and resistance zone. All right, this daily trend line here is a very strong support and resistance zone. I know that no matter what it is, price is going to bounce up from here. Even if it doesn't go further to the upside, it's going to bounce a little bit from this area. So what I did was that I was waiting patiently for it to get to that area. Okay, so after waiting to get to that area, I went down to the 15-minute time frame. All right, so here on the 15-minute time frame, I also put in this trend line here, as you can see. All right, I marked out that trend line, but when marking out the trend line, it was already late. It was about 11 to 12 in the night. Okay, I was unable to wait for that, so I took the entry from this area, and this was my reason for taking the entry, because I didn't wait for the trend line to be broken above before taking the entry. Okay, so I waited for this condition. You can see price came to this area, made a retest here, then came down again. All right, it made this structure here, as you can see. It made this structure here, right? But it made this structure, came down, break above it, all right, came back for a retest. All right, so now you can see when it made that structure, there was also a support here that was made when price went up. Okay, it made a support around this area. So now when price came to this area, it bounced from this support again, right? It bounced from this support here, then went up. Okay, so it now came down again, right? That was when I took my entry. It came down to this area again, right? It made this candle here with a long wick and a head, all right? Then made the second one, all right? The second one was where I took my entry from. So I just took the entry aggressively, and my stop loss was below this area. All right, initially it was below this area. So once I took the entry, I also placed some sell stop. Okay, in case that if it's like went up a little bit and then decide to reverse and go to the downside, then my sell stop will be triggered and I will also be in the sell trade. Okay, that was why I set that up. Okay, then after setting this up, I now went to sleep. Okay, so on waking up this morning, I saw that I was already in massive profit. Okay, just like you are seeing here right now in the video. And as you can see, price is kind of like making some pullback here, but I believe it will still find support around this area and then bounce to the upside, because as you can see right now, there's some support and resistance zone around this area that I'm hoping for to bounce. I'm hoping on this area here to bounce price to the upside. But if it fails, as you can see, I've already moved my stop loss to this area, so it's going to like take me out of the trade. Okay, so that I will not like lose my already made profit. Okay, so that's why I set this here. All right, so this is the way you should go about your entry also, and this is the way you should like monitor or guide your profit. Okay, so as you can see, I move my stop loss from this area to this place so that I will be in profit. All right, if it goes against me, I'll still be in profit of $8 something. As you can see, I took like 2 positions of this trade, so that 8 is going to be like $16. Okay, so that is what I said I should like share with you guys, so that whenever you are trading, you also know how to go about stuff like this. But I believe this trade will go up. Okay, so in my next video, maybe tomorrow, I will show you the result. Okay, so guys, with that being said, I think I'm going to like end the video around this area. Okay, I'll end the video here. So just make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're a new viewer. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately and you will not be missing my daily update, because here on this channel I upload video almost every day. Okay, I love trading and I have passion in doing it, so I love making video about it every day. So make sure you stick to my channel. All right, join the family so that you'll not be missing my daily updates. All right, so guys, that is all for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.